Hello, all. Greetings of the day. I hope you all are well and fine. So, move to the next part. So, what is the difference between program and scripting language? So, when we talk about program, a program is existed the source of a first compiled, and the result of that compilations is expected. So it is like a act of converted program written in high level programming language, so that is understandable and written by humans, so into the low level language, binary language, understand only by the computer. That questions come in your mind now, what is a high level language and low level programming language? So high level language have a natural and readable syntax, which make easier for programmers to read and understand the code, and in low level programming language we have more syntax that is different to read and understand comparison to high level programming language. So we can say that high level language are more portables, like we have examples of high level language like Python, C, Visual Basic, JavaScript. So in low level programming language are machine language and assembly language, not machine learning, machine language and assembly language. So now understand scripting part. A script is interpreted. A script is code written in a specially scripting language, and a scripting language is nothing but a type of programming code to control another software application. So scripting is primarily used to automate and task for website and web applications. So while we use existing programs, so it is used for existing information from the help of database, computer programs and software development, as well as front end and back end development part. So if we talk about the example, so simple when we simple print hello world, so use print function, print hello world. So its print function is to print out any text in return. So let's move to the next slide. So installing Python IDE, so what you will have to do in that, so let's take a very simple example. So like we do if we want to use WhatsApp, so we install application for WhatsApp, so or we access it directly in the browser, so with the WhatsApp web. So for this we need a software application like a requirement. So when we use a WhatsApp, so we need to install a WhatsApp application, or we can directly search in our web browser WhatsApp web. So in the same way we need a Python IDE in Python, for which we can run our code in Python. It is like a tool. With the help of we can easily run our code. So for this we have to go to your browser. You will have to go in your browser and mention on or write the link https www.python.org/download, or you can simply write installing Python. So it will go click on the first link, so it you will direct in installing part. So in that you install easily for latest version of Windows. Simply click on download, and in my new video, upcoming video, I will show you step by step how we can install it in our system for Windows, step by step. So keep in touch with me and my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.